Don't stand up, ha? Don't stand up.
Bitte von der Fahrbahn, bitte von der Fahrbahn zurücktreten.
Bye bye.
Von der Fahrbahn zurücktreten. Bitte von der Fahrbahn zurücktreten.
Bye bye. Yan guys, going home na kami. Si Julian knock out. Gusto matulog. No, Julian, you want to sleep? Yan. Until next vlog guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell. For more Shanley V, Mom Shi Shanley V. Ciao!
Got many people.
Go down now. One, two, three. They're going up more. Oh no! Ah.
Flying chicken.
Shark? Shark?
It's scary inside. Scary. Scary. Like, whoa, whoa. It's not really cold.
Look, Julian.
It's a roller coaster. Say hi. Hi. Very good. Let's look, bumpy car.
Yeah, moment. What do you want to ride? He's following the line. Ding, ding.
Torero.
Come here. Hi guys! Ayan, going home na kami ng family ko. Galing kami sa Herbs Messe sa galing kami sa Kaserne. Another Herbs Messe na ano na lugar. Another section na Herbs Messe Autumn Fair sa Basel. Another place. So, ayan. Saglit lang kami kasi si Julian antok na. KO na siya. Again, KO na naman siya sa lakad namin.
Oh, there's something here.
Yeah. Ah, look. What's that?
Gut, Julian. We need the bar.
Nein, nicht schon wieder. I like.
Yeah, but
I don't know how you...
I'm not sure you should have taken it out. It's squished up.
Ja.
Put it inside. Put it inside. Yes, yes. Okay, and then turn the wheel.
Turn the wheel, Julian. This one, wheel. Wait, moment. Here.
Ah, I want to.
See, you do it.
It's strong, huh? Strong.
Imbis pauwi na sana kami. May nakita kaming ito. Laruan siya sa mga bata. Bagong nilagay dito. So si Julian nakita niya, pinuntahan niya agad. Actually, itong building na ito, ano yan siya guys? Museum of Toys. Ano siya? Toy Museum. Museum of Toys. So, may nilagay sila sa labas itong structure na ito. Nakita ni Julian, then pinuntahan ni Julian agad, then ayan, punta kami. Ayan, busy siya sa laro. Para siyang ilalagay niya yung bola, and then ikaw magko-control sa kanya. Oh, ito oh.
Come. Yeah. Yeah. So we have to split it.
No?
Silo, come. Papi show you. Remove this, then this goes up, okay? No, Julian, listen. What?
You need it. I want.
Look.
You want it. I want to lift it up.
Yeah, but you cannot manage. Come.
No.
No. Can we go home?
It's coming back. Look.
Hi guys! Ayan, nandito si Ma'am Shishan Livy. Sensya na po hindi ako masyadong nagwa-vlog. Busy ang life. At lately, medyo not feeling well si Ma'am Shi. Mahirap kasi mag-vlog and then you're not feeling well. So, ayan. Ngayon, medyo okay na ako. Ayan, we will see in couple of weeks magka-continue ulit tayo magba-vlogging. At ayan, malapit ng Pasko guys. Ilang days na lang, ilang weeks pala, not days, weeks. Ayan, ano na tayo, November na. So, kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Ayan, ayun, speaking of sakit, yes. Ano na kasi, taglamig na. Uso na yung ubo, sipon. At yung weather, cloudy masyado, yung mood mo medyo down, yun, sleepy ka. Pero okay naman. Mayroong days na sunny, may araw, pero malamig. Ngayon yung last week si Julian may sakit, ako. And ngayon, yung husband ko, ewan ko, stomach flu yata kasi gumaganyan yung niya. At naaasim yung tiyan, nag-aasim. And then may may ubo tsaka sipon. So, stomach flu maybe. At same kami tatlo. First si Julian, then ako, then ngayon asawa ko. Sa siguro to, yung sa playgroup, once na expose ang mga bata sa environment, like other kids, expose sila sa other kids, sila sa sakit, ayan. Yung ubo, sipon, at ayun. Ano ba ang latest ngayon? Ayun, okay naman lahat dito sa sa lugar namin. Nag-ano pala ako guys, latest. Nag-German, German review, language review. Kasi kailangan ko po take ng language test para po sa applying for citizenship dito sa Switzerland. Kailangan po dito ay yung level na A2 and B1 German. Yan yung speaking, talking, then writing. So, ayun po. Ang tawag po sa test na yun ay FIDE, F-I-D-E test. So, once na pasado ka sa talking, at pasado ka sa writing, ayan, then may na-receive akong application for citizenship. So, kailangan mo lang na pasado ka sa language test at kailangan mo ng pang witness na okay ka sa environment dito sa Switzerland. Yung parang pwede kapitbahay, pwede mo ipa-check sa kanila kung anong observation nila sa'yo, or yung kamag-anak mo, pwede rin ganun, kamag-anak ng asawa ko, or mga kaibigan namin, or yun, yung kapitbahay. Ay, pwede rin stranger ako eh. Problema kung stranger, di ka kilala. Baka anong isusulat. So, ayun. Yung yung language test namin ay will be on December. So, ayan, medyo nararatol ako. Okay naman ako magsalita. Pero, minsan nabubulol ako at hindi ako confident. Hindi ako confident kung magsalita ako ng German. So, minsan nag-i-English ako. At, minsan nahihiya ako. Ayan, and then, kasi, why am I feeling not confident? Kasi minsan, kung magsalita ka, parang mo sa sarili mo na, correct ba yung sinabi ko? Mali ba yung sinabi ko? Ay, ayaw ko sabihin na gano'n na sentence kasi baka pagtawanan lang ako. Pero, ayun, doon ako medyo lack of confidence. Pero, may mga friends ako na, sige lang, try na kahit wrong, correct ka namin. Pero, ayun, na pa rin ako na tawag niyan, mahiyain. Then sige lang, we'll see. And then sa test, hopefully na pasado. Kung hindi, kailangan ko bumalik sa eskwela, balik ako sa school, balik ako sa language school, mag-review ako doon. Then, kung masasabi ko na ready ako, then take na naman ako ulit ng exam. Ayan. We'll see. So, ayun. Yun yung latest update sa life ko. And, we'll see in couple of weeks. Or, maybe next week, ayan, na mag-upload ako ng vlog. And, yan, once a week lang muna. At, ayan, may pala ako guys, may na-record pala ako kahapon. Setup namin tinulungan ako ni Julian paano mag-setup ng Christmas tree, mga decorations. Ayan, sa likod ko, ayan, sneak peek! So, ayan, may kami kahapon. At, ayun, panoorin po natin. Ayan na. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Just fall down the tree.
Almost. Almost Mommy Awa. The tree is so big.
This tree big.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I'll make up, please. Oh, Nay! You can put it? Give it to Mommy. Ay! Nay! It's not a toy, it's a decoration, Julian. You know what the decoration is? Careful, it will fall down. You don't want it to fall down. Fall down and get kaput, and then our Julian. Don't shake it! You shake it when you fall down. Julian, I
Another. I want to make it. I want to build it with Julian.
you turn it around. It might move.
I want to turn around this one. I want to turn around this one.
Other side, over there. Get it. Gentle, like this. Gentle.
I don't like this. I want to use it.
Oh, you need to like this. Yes. Then, no, don't get it.
I cannot use it. I cannot.
I'll give you this one. There's more.
I need another.
Oh. And then here, come here. Let's move this around. Move it around. Okay, I'll get it. This
It's
one.
a bit dirty. I think that is a lot of
Okay. Give Mommy here. Up here, help.
taking away.
Yes. Like that. Julia is helping. That's good.
I need another.
Now come here.
I
I need to help Mommy.
Wow, she is helping mommy. That's great.
wow.
Very good.
Is that enough?
Really very good.
Okay, on the other side, please.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. I need to spill it. Frau Dawson! Mom, Julian help Mommy fix the Christmas tree.
Oh, let's look at mommy. Not use it.
Now you put it here. Here, this one.
That's the big
This
one.
one, please. Put it here.
Yes,
Not here, here.
that's the big one.
The big one is here. Stick it here. Oh.
That,
Here.
yes,
Yes.
that's my mom. The big one. It's smaller. It's small. And also.
Place it here. This.
Ha!